Alright everyone, today we're gonna ride this bad boy over here in 17-degree weather. We're in a parking lot right now, about to ride. I'm supposed to be waiting for my brother, but I don't think he's coming. Yeah, the bike's looking good, all fueled up, real nice. I didn't pump air in my tires, but I recently did pump air, probably like 3 days ago, but of course 3 days ago it wasn't that cold. So we're gonna take it slow. I mean, regardless, I'm not gonna go too fast because it's too fucking cold to be riding in the highway. I'm currently wearing my motorcycle jacket and then a regular jacket on top of my motorcycle jacket, and I'm also wearing ski pants, which is heavily insulated. I also have my motorcycle gloves. Pretty good. They'll probably give me about 30 minutes of riding time before I start feeling comfortable. Yeah, nice. I actually started the bike out earlier today. I turned it on and it was having a hard time like starting. I mean, luckily it started, so it's all good. Feels good to ride. Oh, my glasses are fogging up. Fuck. Let me lift my visor up a little bit. Whew. Okay. Alright, so right now I'm going like, 25 miles an hour, not too shabby, nothing too crazy. The wind is a little harsh right now, but it's all good. But honestly, with the jacket on top of my motorcycle jacket, it's not too bad actually. Like it's not uncomfortable, like I could last. The only issue with the cold is that I'm feeling it in my hands. I probably could just, I could probably just buy hand guards to prevent the wind from hitting my hands, and I think it'll be okay. Or I could just get heated gloves. That would be another option. But other than that, it's not too shabby, Also, I feel it in my feet. The only reason why is because I'm not really wearing thick socks. I think if you were gonna do this, you should probably wear some thick thermal socks or something. I only have regular Hanes socks. Yeah. Also, the one reason why I kind of want to ride right now, well, other than the fact that I want to fucking ride, is that I want to charge the battery, Gotta make sure it's charged. I don't really have a battery tender, so yeah, that's my situation. I'm gonna have to circle back into the parking lot over there to see if my brother is there, because he hasn't really texted me yet. I feel it in my fingertips now, the cold. It's starting to leak into the gloves. Definitely, these gloves definitely are not fit for 17-degree weather, more like 30. Alright, let me go back to the parking lot and see if my brother's there. Clear. Nice, nice. Feels so good to ride. People are probably like, yo, what the fuck is this guy doing? It's 17 degrees, probably colder, and this guy's out here riding his goddamn motorcycle. Yeah, I'm fucking crazy like that. I'm a fucking lunatic, honestly, with everything else, as well as, riding in the cold. Oh yeah, guys, Merry Christmas to whoever's watching. It's currently Christmas Eve, so that's that. There's actually a nice car behind me, an Integra, I think. Ah. Come on, baby. You got the right of way. There we go. Woo! Feels good. The warm tires, you know. There's a little bit of salt on the road, so better be careful with that. Alright, let's see if my brother's there. I don't see him. I don't think he's coming out. Let's just drive by the park. See if I'm... Nope, he's not there. It's all good. I mean, it is fucking cold. I'm honestly thinking about returning home now. Just because it's fucking... It's brick. It's fucking brick. Oh my god. Let me see if my camera is still recording, because I know... Alright, it's still recording. Because I know sometimes when it gets too cold, the GoPro kind of shuts off. It happened earlier. Yeah, one thing I would recommend you guys get, definitely some good gloves. Woo, guys, it's fucking cold, man. My fucking fingertips are just gone. Alright, I'm gonna have to head back, actually. I'm gonna have to end this video right now, honestly, and go back home. Let me just circle back to the park, see if my brother's there, and I'm gonna head back. Or I'm gonna just call him, just stay home. Fuck, that was kind of bumpy. But honestly, my body, with this jacket over my motorcycle jacket, it's perfect. Like, I don't even feel cold. It's just my fingertips and my, that's mainly it, my fingertips and then my toes. So, get good gloves and get good socks. Or some really thick motorcycle boots designed for winter riding. Whew, I'm definitely heading back home now. Anyway guys, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. I know it's a short little vlog, but you know, I was kind of curious to see myself how riding in this weather would feel, and it absolutely feels like torture. But at the same time, since I'm riding a motorcycle, it's also fucking great. Great feeling, love it. Oh, look at that giant ass ice patch, Jesus Christ, that'll kill me.